Gates open. They're off and racing. Kulit! Bulilit! Looking for the leader. Akires Joy in second, running in third by the rally. Sa totoo lang. Blow by Blow is running in fourth. Moving up now is Bini Ryan. Alongside is Jalapeno. Second last is Wow! Ganda! While Smart Kid, who's running at the tail of the field. Inside the last 600. Kulit! Bulilit! Now takes the lead by Alenka. Then running on the outside now is Jalapeno. Running by the release. Blow by Blow. Moving up, Bini Ryan. Fading out now is Sa Totoo Lang. Akires Joy moving up. But it's still Kulit! Bulilit! Leads by half a length. Jalapeno for the outside as they reach the final turn. And it's still Kulit! Bulilit! Still out in front. Jalapeno for the outside. Moving up. Akires Joy. Down to the finish. And it's still Kulit! Bulilit! Strides away by about 3 lengths and winning this race over Jalapeno. Second, Akires Joy. Or third, fourth, number 6, Smart Kid. Then comes Bini Ryan. Blow by Blow.